Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're alright. Nowadays we are talking about the landscaping. Pebble stone in landscaping bring a natural, timeless beauty and instantly elevate an outdoor space. Landscaping is the art and science of transforming outdoor spaces into areas of beauty, balance, and purpose. It combines natural elements such as trees, flowers, plants, water, and stone with man-made structure like pathway, patios, fans, and lighting to create a harmonious environment. Beyond beauty, pebble stones are practical. They reduce soil erosion, prevent puddle, and require almost no upkeep. Whether you want a modern, tropical, rustic, or Japanese-inspired garden, pebble stones are a versatile and sustainable choice that adds both charm and functionality. So guys, if you like my video, please support my channel, like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. One of the most popular ideas is creating pebbles pathways, where pebbles are arranged between stepping stone or tiles to give a clean, modern look while making walking areas both durable and decorative. Pebbles also make excellent borders for flowers and trees, adding contrast to greenery while helping with water drainage and wet control. For a minimalist design, white or black pebbles placed around garden sculptures, fountain, or planters create a striking, elegant effect. In water, feathers, pebbles bring harmony. Living ponds, small streams, or fountains in smooth stone give a natural, soothing finish. But perhaps the greatest gift of landscaping is emotional. A simple flower can brighten a tired heart. A shady tree can bring comfort when a hot day. A winding stone path can spark curiosity, leading us to explore and connect with nature. Landscaping is not only about beauty, it is about functionality and sustainability. A well-planned landscape provides shade in summer, wind protection in winter, and space where families can gather. Best image and best photo collections, landscaping ideas with the home decorations, garden decorations, latest design videos भी आप व्यूवर्स के लिए जरूर देखें.